cannot defeat me. You can't defeat me. You can give me little scratches though when I go to work and put my gloves on. I'm like, whoa, what the fuck? It doesn't bother me, but then when I go to work and put my gloves on, they start sweaty. Oh, itchy. So like, why
Yeah,
my hand?
yeah. Because you have wounds.
Because you. So when I put, yeah. As I yell at him, I'll say, hey. See, he's gonna lick. I'll say, hey, be nice, and then he's like, oh, I'm sorry, and he licks. See?
Yeah.
Watch. He bite. Watch. Hey. See?
Okay, sorry. He's gonna lick it.
See?
Awesome. No.
Hey. See? You crazy. You're crazy. I know, you take it easy on me, or I'd be all bloody.
Shh. Shh.
He's playing with Daddy. Wow. Let me see your balls. Wow. Look at those balls. No, don't get mad.